Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add a transition in Google Slides. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open Google Chrome and I just go to Google Slides from my Google apps. So once I go to Google Slides, I can create a different kind of slides and I can view anywhere else. So I just created some photo album. So I just want to give a transition effects. So how to insert the transition and animation in my slides. So I've prepared the slides. So I want to get a slides transition. So what I have to do here, so on top you will find an option called layout, theme and transition. So you can find out transition from here, otherwise just go to slides. Once you go to slides option, you will get a transition. So once you select the transition option, there is a transition option palette will be open in your right hand side. So you can choose here transition style, it's a none. Just click here to get a different kind of option. For example, dissolve, fade, slides from the right, left, flip, a cube, everything will be there. I just choose some cube option. So once I choose cube option, there is a motions of animations for a slow or medium or fast I can give. So I just give medium. I just play and check. So once I play and check, the cube option will be working over here, so I can get an animation model. For example, I just want to apply this current transition to anything else, so apply to all slides means I can get it for all slides. So this is what I just need. I just stop this presentation so I can apply for the all slides. So my all slides will be in a cube model, otherwise I can choose second slides. So if you insert the transition means there is a three circle will be open here, that is a symbol for transition is on that slide. So as I'm showing in my cursor, so similarly I just choose the second slide, I can get a different kind of options what I have given. For example, I just choose for side from right and left, so I can play and check it out. So slides from right and left, so this is a fast movement, or I can stop it and I can make it slow movement so that it will be moved slowly. So according to my need, I just stop over here. According to my need, I can make it fast or slow for my presentation which I need it. So maximum they used to have a medium size of things, so I just apply for the none will be changing into flip model, so I can play the flip model. So each and every slide will have this kind of things. So if you want to remove, for example, if you want to remove entire slide transition, entire slides, if you want to remove the transition means single click, just go to none option. So I can give the none and apply to all slides means every slides will be removed from the transition. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Google Slides so that you can insert the transition. So I just give some flip insert and I can make a presentation slides means it will be flip it over here. So this is a beautiful option over here. So I just choose some other options, so fade option, so apply to all slides. I just play this and I just want to make a slideshow option so that it will be fade and it will come like a fading option. So Google Slides is given a lot of option to make a transition, insert and remove option in this video. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.